Hello everyone, and this is the first video on my series on how to get into UMTYMP, where I'm going to be introducing UMTYMP and the key points of the entrance exam. Now, before we get started, some information about me. My name is Surya Hariharan, and I'm a 9th grader enrolled in UMTYMP at the time of this recording. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, what is UMTYMP? What does it stand for? University of Minnesota Talented Youth Mathematics Program. And it's a program that teaches math at an accelerated level. And it contains 2 courses, algebra and a calculus course, each of which are 2 and 3 years respectively. In order to get into this program, you must pass an entrance exam. So some information on that. It consists of 50 questions and you are asked to complete them in 25 minutes, which may sound crazy, but trust me, it's possible. So I'll be going over some of the topics that are going to be in the exam, such as pre-algebra, geometry, statistics, and some advanced topics, algebra 1, advanced geometry, stuff like that. So this is a multiple choice, which may be a relief to many of you, given this requirement over here, and it's a quantitative comparison. So actually, if you want more information on this test, you can go to this website. It has a lot of information on the UMTYMP program. Now, I'll put a link to this in the description actually, if you want to go and check this out. It just has a lot of information, where the exams are taking place, when, cost, stuff like that. Go check it out when you want to. So the quantitative comparison choice questions consist of quantity A and B, and you'll be asked to compare the two, and you have 4 choices. So you have A, B, C, D. So A means that quantity A is greater than quantity B. If you choose B, that means quantity B is greater than quantity A. If you choose C, that means you think quantity A is equal to quantity B. And if you choose D, you think that the answer cannot be, you can't determine if it's A, B, or C with the given information. Now let's try an example problem. So we are given, let a squared b equal a squared plus b squared and a rhombus b equal a squared minus square root of b. Quantity A is 2 square 5 and quantity B is 2 rhombus 3 square 5. So a simple way there are many ways to solve this problem, first off. But I'm just going to be going over a fast way. We just evaluate both A and B. So A, just B, if you let this and this, so pretty much 5 equal B and 2 equal A, you get 4 plus, or actually I'll leave it in expanded form, 2 squared plus 5 squared. And then on this side, you have 2 rhombus 3, which is just equal to 4 minus root 3. And now if we're doing square that by 5, we get 4 minus root 3 squared plus 5 squared. Now, instead of solving this directly just by using decimals, because root 3 is an irrational number, what you can do is cross these two off. So I'm just going to erase them because they are common on both sides. And since you just want to compare 4 minus root 3 squared and 2 squared, so square root of 3 is just 1.7 blah blah blah. So we'll just use 1.7. So 4 minus 1.7 is 2.3. So you have 2.3 squared and 2 squared. And obviously, quantity B is greater than quantity A, and therefore B would be the right answer option. These are just one of the examples, problems that may be there. So the video plan, it's going to be a 10-part series, and this is the first one, part 1. I'm just introducing and what is quantitative comparison. Part 2 and part 3 consist of pre-algebra concepts, and then from part 4 to part 7, which is like the majority of the series, I'll be talking about geometry, and then from there, introduction to statistics, and then some advanced types of questions that may appear. Even though they only make up 5% of the test, it's still very good to know them. And finally, I'm just going to be going over final tips and tricks before the entrance exam. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.